Hello dear students. In my last class I will explain to you John and Jivanti problem. Word example from the reader. In this video I will explain to you the second one question. In that example number 1 represent the situation mathematically. There are two questions. First question was John and Jivanti problem and this is the second question in that. So we have to represent this situation mathematically. Let's start. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. One cottage industry is producing certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees is found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was 750 rupees 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. First of all, student, we don't know the production of number of toys in one day, that we don't know. We have to consider the number of toys on that day as X. Now cost of production of each toy, what he is saying, is found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. Means 55 minus number of toys we are considering as X. So 55 minus X. Then the total cost of production was rupees 750. How will you find total cost of production? That is important. I'll explain to you first that, then we'll move forward. Suppose you have your cottage industry. You are running a cottage industry and you are producing, in one day you are producing $5,000. In one day you are producing $5,000 and the cost of each doll is 5. Means if you multiplied the number of toys into cost of each toy, the value you will get is the cost of production. Keep in mind, this is the cost of production. This is not our question. This is just to explain you that how to get the cost of production. If you multiply number of toys into the cost of each toy, you will get total cost of production. Now let's start the solution for this question. Solution. Let the number of toys produced on that day. We don't know how many toy the cottage industry is producing, so we are taking as X. Okay. Now cost of production of each toy. Cost of production of each toy on that day is equal to, what is saying, 55 minus number of toys produced in a day. Number of toys produced in a day is X. 55 minus X. Now next sentence, total cost of production was rupees 750. So I have to write cost of production. total cost of production is equal to 750. Now, as I told you how to get the cost of production, if you multiply number of toys and cost of each toy, you will get the total cost of production. We have to multiply this one and this one. X into 55 minus X is equal to 750. X into 55 is 55x. X into minus X is minus X square is equal to 750. I'll rearrange these two values. First X square term will come, then plus 55x, transfer 750 to left hand side, it will be minus 750 is equal to 0. Sorry for the inconvenience. X into 55 is 55x. X into minus X is minus X square is equal to 750 as it is. Now I am rearranging these two values. First we want the one which has highest degree, minus X square, plus this plus value plus 55x. I just rearrange it, then transfer 750 to left hand side, it will be minus 750. Now as I said in my last video that the first one, this term should be positive. So to make it positive we have to multiply whole equation by minus. So multiply whole equation by minus. Minus into minus will be plus. Minus into plus is minus 55x. Then minus into minus is plus, is equal to 0. This is the required answer, students. I hope you understood. If you have doubt, you can write in the comment section. Let's move forward. The next heading under this one is, next question is, check whether the following are quadratic equations. We have to check this is quadratic equation or not. This one is quadratic equation or not. One more question, this one is quadratic equation or not, that we have to check it. Right now I cannot say this is a quadratic equation or not, because we know the standard form of quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. Right now this is not in this form. First we have to solve this one. After solving, if we get in this form, then we can say this is in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, we have to check whether it is quadratic equation or it is not a quadratic equation. Let's start. See, this bracket is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square is, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. When you expand this identity, it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. These identities are very important and very useful in the 10th standard. You should know all the identities. Let's open this bracket with the help of this identity. A square, in place of a we have x square, plus b square, in place of b we have 2, so 2 square, minus 2 into a is x into b is 2 plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. Now x square as it is plus 2 square is 4, then 2 2s are 4. This x as it is, then plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. Now transfer these two values to left hand side. X square as it is, this 4 plus 1 will be 5. 4 plus 1 will be 5, and this minus 4x as it is. Now transfer 2x to left hand side, it will be minus 2x. Transfer minus 3 to left hand side, it will be plus 3 is equal to 0. Now first x square, then add the x terms. Minus 4x minus 2x will be minus 6x, then plus 5 plus 3 will be plus 8 is equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If it is in the form, then we can say it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the given equation is a quadratic equation. We have to write like this. This is important question. This question may ask in 1 mark as well as 2 mark. Let's see the second one. X into x is x square. First we have to open the bracket. We don't know it is quadratic equation or not. First we have to solve, then we have to check it is a quadratic equation or not. X into x, x square. X into 1 is x. Then this plus 8 as it is. X into x, x square. X into 1, x plus 8 as it is. Students, this one is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. If it is like this, we can write it as a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Now this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. If it is like this, in place of a I have x. I can write it as x square. In place of b we have 2. So in place of b we can write it as 2 square. So x square plus x plus 8 is equal to x square minus 2 square is 4. Minus as it is 2 square is 4. Now transfer these values to left hand side. X square plus x plus 8 minus x square. Okay, when you transfer it will be minus. This is in minus. When you transfer it will be plus is equal to 0. Plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Here x is remaining and 8 plus 4 is remaining. 8 plus 4 is 12 is equal to 0. Now you have to write below 8. 8 is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See, this is in the form of quadratic equation, but this is not in the form of quadratic equation. So the given equation is not a quadratic equation. I am not writing, but you should write it. Write first this sentence. It is not of the form. This one is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then below this line write down, so the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Which equation is this? This is a linear equation, not a quadratic equation. Then the last problem, third one, let's see how to solve this one. Let's check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. X into 2x is 2x square. Then x into 3 is 3x is equal to x square plus 1. X into 2x, 2x square, x into 3, 3x, this one as it is. Now transfer these two values to left hand side. 2x square plus 3x minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now student, 2x square minus x square is x square, then plus 3x as it is minus 1 as it is equal to 0. This is in the form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is in this form. So we have to write the same sentence as we have written for the first one. It is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the given equation is a quadratic equation. Let's see the fourth question. This is the last one. Now this is x plus 2 whole cube, and here it is x cube minus 4. Here we have to use the identity a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. This is in the form of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Keep in mind, this is the expansion of this identity a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So in our case, in place of a we have x, and in place of b we have 2. We will substitute here. A cube, a is x, so x cube will come, plus b cube, b is 2, 2 cube, then plus 3 into a is x, into b, b is 2, into a plus b, x plus 2 is equal to x cube minus 4. Now student, this x cube and this x cube will get cancelled, because when you transfer it, it will be minus x cube. So before transferring, we can cancel it. Keep in mind, 2 cube is 8 plus 3 2s are 6 into x as it is. Then this bracket x plus 2 as it is, we have to open this bracket. Keep in mind, transfer minus 4 to right hand side, it will be plus 4. Now remaining here is 0. When you transfer all the values here, what is remaining here? 0. Now 8 plus 6x into x, 6x square. 6x into 2 is 12x. 6 2s are 12x as it is. Plus 4 is equal to 0. Now this will be 6x square plus 12x. 8 plus 4 is 12 is equal to 0. Now this is also in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have to write it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the given equation is a quadratic equation. Given equation is a quadratic equation. I hope you understood all the 4 questions. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.